Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a comprehensive review of the Boat Airdopes Alpha Truly Wireless Earbuds. So let's dive right in and see if they live up to the hype. Starting with the design. The Boat Airdopes Alpha Earbuds come in a sleek and ergonomic design. They have a matte finish and a compact form factor that fits comfortably in the ear. Now, let's talk about the audio quality. The Boat Airdopes Alpha Earbuds feature 13mm powerful drivers that deliver a rich and immersive sound experience. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, the audio quality is impressive. The Boat Airdopes Alpha Earbuds utilize Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable and seamless wireless connection. One of the essential factors when considering wireless earbuds is battery life. The Boat Airdopes Alpha excels in this department, providing impressive 35 hours of playtime on a single charge. The Boat Airdopes Alpha earbuds come with an IPX7 water-resistant rating. This means they can withstand sweat, rain, and even accidental submersion. In conclusion, the Boat Airdopes Alpha Truly Wireless Earbuds offer an impressive combination of design, audio quality, and convenience. That wraps up my review of the Boat Airdopes Alpha Earbuds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more tech reviews.